Hey, this is Lawrence from financialthing.com. And as you know, we've been talking over the live stream over the last few weeks about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and how my mind has sort of shifted over the last few months as to my long-term outlook on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I think it's not a bad place to put a little bit of cash as a speculative play for the future, because there are people that think Bitcoin could be worth upwards of $100,000 to anywhere in the $1 million to $10 million per coin range. Now, if that turns out to be true, then having some speculative investment in Bitcoin is absolutely not a bad play, because the risk versus reward is so big. If you were to invest £2,000 or say $2,000 into Bitcoin at today's prices of around $11,000, and it did go up tenfold or even 100-fold, then you'd be looking at a pretty substantial gain for a smaller amount of risk. And I don't foresee Bitcoin going down to zero. So I have sort of changed my views on Bitcoin after doing more research. I'm going to make another video on to all the different reasons why I think Bitcoin has legs. So today what we're going to look at is the Coinbase platform. It's one of the preferred platforms that I use to purchase cryptocurrency. There are a lot of other platforms that do sell Bitcoin. Some of them you have to be a little bit careful with. For example, there are some trading platforms that sell Bitcoin, but they're actually really not selling you actual Bitcoins. We want to buy the cryptocurrency in its solo form that we can either download to a hardware wallet or move to a different platform if we needed to. And that's why I prefer to buy through platforms such as Coinbase. And what I'm going to do is post a link in the video in the description where you can score yourself some free Bitcoin. So let's jump right into it. This is my Coinbase account. What you're going to see here is it's very simple. There is a portfolio button up here if you want to look at your portfolio. Right now I just have cash in there. I haven't purchased any Bitcoin this month. And it gives you all the different portfolio amounts for all the different coins that you can hold on Coinbase. Now, I do have a few coins, but it tends to be the majority of my investment does go into Bitcoin. You might want to do research in the other types of coins and see if you think those have a future. I'm not so certain. There is, again, very much speculative. There are different coins you can buy. So in your portfolio page, you will see what you own. And here you can, on the prices section up at the top, you can see the different prices for all of the coins. You can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, XRP. You've got Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Chainlink, EOS, Tezos. And again, do your research. My preferred coin right now is going to be Bitcoin. And you can actually trade coins through Coinbase itself. And there are two different platforms. There is the Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. But the issue is on the Coinbase regular platform that you see here, the fees are substantially higher to buy and sell Bitcoin. So what I suggest you do, and what I'm going to show you on this video, is how to use the Coinbase Pro platform to purchase cryptocurrency, and it's going to save you quite a lot in fees. And I'll show you why. Here, if we were saying wanting to buy £100 of Bitcoin today on the Coinbase regular platform, you're going to see the fee here is £2.99. So we're paying almost 3% in fees. It doesn't sound terrible, but if we use the Coinbase Pro platform, I'm going to show you the difference in the fee amount in a minute. It's going to be a lot lower. And the reason is the Coinbase Pro platform is more like a trading platform, and for most people it's quite intimidating to use. So this Coinbase regular platform has been simplified down for very basic beginners to be able to use without too much hassle. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the Pro platform here. And as you can tell, it absolutely looks like a trading platform. It's quite confusing. You have all the tools here that you might see on a company like Trading 212 or Interactive Brokers. You can see the demand and supply. When you first log into Coinbase Pro, you can sign up for an account, and it actually is linked to your regular Coinbase account. So when I transfer money from Coinbase Pro to Coinbase Pro from Coinbase, it's going to automatically appear inside the Pro, and it will pull the money from my Coinbase portfolio instantaneously. So it's very easy to use. And then once I've purchased the cryptocurrency inside the Pro platform for the lower fee, I can go ahead and send it back to my regular Coinbase account, and it will show up again very, very quickly in just a few seconds. So let's go ahead and do that right now. I'll go ahead and deposit inside the Coinbase Pro platform. One thing here that I want you to pay attention to is when you open up the Coinbase Pro platform, it might default to a coin that you don't necessarily want to buy. Right here it's defaulted to algo. So up here you can select the market that you want, and you'll see here all the different options. So you have Bitcoin, here's your Ripple, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and so on and so forth. So you want to go and make sure that you have BTC to GBP, which is Bitcoin to pounds, selected. And once you'll see all the transactions that are happening right here through the buying and selling of the actual live Bitcoin purchases. You can see the price changing up here in real time. This again looks like a trading platform. So what I'm going to go ahead and do here is click on deposit. And I will deposit pounds. And right here I'm going to select Coinbase.com. So transfers fund instantly from Coinbase.com. Which you can see here is my portfolio amount of £1,002. Boom, right here on Coinbase. And I will go ahead and just put in £50. Okay. And you can see there is no fee to do this. Processing time is instant, so I'm going to go ahead and make that deposit. And your deposit is complete. So you can see right here now on the Pro trading platform, we have £50. We're going to go ahead and just make a market order, which means whatever the price is right now is what we're going to play. If you want to set the price of your Bitcoin purchase, you can do that, but I tend to just buy whatever the market is because it doesn't tend to fluctuate too much over a period of a few seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my max amount, which is £50. That's what I have. And you can see here the fee is only 25p, which is markedly lower than the 3% that we were paying on the Coinbase regular platform. So here we go. I'm going to place that buy order. And success right here. I just bought 0.0057739 of a Bitcoin for this price, £8,616, and I paid a 25 pence fee to do so. So it's as simple as that. So now I have nothing left in this account, but what I do have now is this Bitcoin. And what I'm going to do is withdraw this Bitcoin back into my Coinbase regular account. I like to keep it in that account because it's easier to view the portfolio in the regular Coinbase account. So let's go ahead and click withdraw. And right now we have Bitcoin 0.0. That's what we have right there. So we're going to click that. Okay. And here we go. We're going to withdraw it back to our Coinbase.com account. It will be transferred instantly. Right here. You can click max. So there's my Bitcoin amount. No fee to do that. Click withdraw. Done. So now if I go back here to my portfolio and refresh it, going to see down here, I now have my 0.0057739 of a Bitcoin. And now my portfolio balance has changed a little bit because of the fee, but now I have £952 in cash and about £50 of the Bitcoin. Also, when you're dealing with cryptocurrency, one of the most important pieces of information that you're actually going to need is your cryptocurrency wallet address for each coin that you own. Every coin gives you a wallet, a personal encrypted number that you can use to receive or send cryptocurrency. So for instance, you could make payments or send cryptocurrency to other people. It could be a little bit difficult to find, so I'll go ahead and show you where you find your wallet addresses. You click on portfolio, and down here is your different coins that you own. So for instance, I have this Bitcoin amount now. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And you can see here that you're able to send and receive Bitcoin. Okay, so if you want to find out what your wallet address is to receive Bitcoin from someone else, you can click on receive, and there's a QR code which you can use. Or if not, you can copy and paste your Bitcoin address right there. That's your wallet address. So that's how you find the wallet address for the different coins that you own. If you wanted to find it for a different type of coin, let's say you owned this coin OX, you would click on receive, and here's your OX wallet address. I would recommend clicking on this copy button right there so you get the entire number correct. Because remember, if you make a mistake when you're sending or receiving Bitcoin, there is no way to reverse that transaction. So you always want to confirm that you have this wallet address correct. So make sure you click on that copy button to do that. But you can do that and look for the wallet address for any single one of these coins that are held on Coinbase. The other way to also receive cryptocurrency from other people is if you click on this receive button up at the top in the right corner. You can receive, and it will give you your wallet number again here, and you can change the currency to the different coin that you are being sent. So for example, do Chainlink. It's going to show you again your wallet address, and that's the address that you would give to the person that was sending you the cryptocurrency, and you would receive that instantaneously, and it would show up right here in your Coinbase account. So there you have it. That's how to use the Coinbase Pro trading account to reduce your fees on Bitcoin or any other crypto coin purchases. And if you're doing multiple transactions a month, or you're buying on a regular basis, this is really going to save you some money over the long run. And it's very easy to transfer from one to another. Again, you can do that with any coin that Coinbase trades, all these different ones. But again, I tend to stick to Bitcoin myself, but that's completely your decision as to which coins you think you might want to speculate on. And it's very, very easy to do. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will bring you more videos like this. And if you have a question or a comment, please leave it down below and tell your friends and family about the video, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.